Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jay, the Geeky Dad, and this is my channel, Make Money with Video. And today's video, guys, we're going to look at Create Studio. It is a video creating app that lets you do so much within it, and I'm going to show you the new update and the new characters that come with it. Now stay tuned, guys, because towards the end I will give you a discount that lets you get quite a lot off. So that's like the thanks you're going to get for watching this video. So guys, let's jump over to the website, guys. Yeah, and this is it. Type in createstudio.com if you want to go and check it out yourself. And let's just watch a quick video from the creator. Starting from the beginning.
With Create Studio, making professional videos is easy, even if you've never done it before. In our intuitive drag and drop editor, you can import media, add text, images, and audio, and enhance your videos with motion graphics, text presets, and much more. Effortlessly animate any layer in just one click using our built-in motion presets. You can also create your own custom animations with advanced options and custom easing on our full-feature timeline. Build your own character explainer videos with premium 2D and 3D characters. Simply select a character, choose an action, and animate. Adjust the size of your video to fit social, mobile, and other popular formats. Once you're ready, publish your video in your preferred resolution. Creating incredible videos has never been easier. So whether you need a promotional video, a social story, or a gorgeous character explainer, Create Studio is the perfect tool for both entrepreneurs and creators, giving you the flexibility to simply create. So what are you waiting for? Make better videos faster today at createstudio.com.
Yeah, guys, I let the video play because they explain it a bit better than me. But if we scroll down, these are some of the videos you can make. Look, promotional videos where you're advertising a business and that, guys. You can create these videos and you can sell them to local businesses, or you can use them for your own personal use, guys. But the good thing is, Create Studio makes lots of different templates, so that means all you need to do is edit a few little things, like put your logo or the business logo on, and then download it, guys. It's already done for you, guys. That's what's good about it. And moving on, we've got promotional videos. We've got these 3D explainer videos, which cost quite a lot to get made, guys. Also, you can upload these to like Fiverr and that. They're all fully customizable. I'm not going to show it all, guys, but we'll some more. A doodle sketch. So instead of buying other video apps like Doodly and Toonly and stuff like that, you've got all here. Yes, very popular videos, them guys. Stomp teasers, these are quite good. These are like the catchy ones, grab your attention. And guys, like I said, they already make lots of these different templates, and all you do is go in, put your logo or your message on, and there you go, guys. Like explainer videos again, but character ones. Like you got your 2D ones here, and then you got your 3D ones that we saw in the other video. They're all fully customizable, guys. If you don't like anything, you can change them. You can even, if you wanted to, have this template, but put a 3D animated character on instead of these 2D ones. You can change all this. You can move that around. You can put these behind the desk. Totally up to you guys. Then you got your text animations, what are pretty much on them all. And guys, they update it once or twice every single month, yeah? Then you got like your local business one, like photographer. You've got your logo intros and outros, so you can make your own logos and that. No, I was going to show us a few. Yeah, some more 2D explainers. Got loads of different YouTube graphics and that. So if you're trying to build your channel, guys, and yeah, so look, sales videos for your landing pages, videos in every shapes and sizes, like the woman said. Like you got your square for Facebook. A minute. You got your Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Landscape, vertical. But you can also add TikTok to this, guys, to your vertical ones. Yeah. Oh, and scroll stoppers, guys. Now I'm just going to jump into the actual app. Yeah. So this is what it looks like, guys. When you first sign in, yeah, you can create a new project. You can add folders, insert import. Yeah. But if you come over to templates, like I said, these are already built. Yeah. So you got your characters, you got your Instagram and Facebook. Let's just have a look at a few. Yeah. If you want to check them out, just go over it. And this is for a course explainer animated, but you can, like I said, you can change it. You can use this for anything. If you don't want to do a better course, change the text. Yeah. And you got here, sales video. Do you need a sales video? Websites. Someone on a oh, plumber funny video. Keep watching this, guys. It's quite funny. Look at all the poos. Now imagine offering this to a plumber. They're not going to go out and create this, but if you create it for them, look, a new website, the 3D one though. You've got your Christmas elf promotion, beauty salon, another sales video, children's YouTube, cafe. So you can do all these different mechanic. Just go to different businesses, guys. Paint service, personal trainers, lots of different ones. And then let's go over to Instagram. So you get quite a lot similar. Like Google instead of Google. Yeah, so like your logo. Got I think this is very cool, guys. It's a really good app. And unlike some apps, guys, you can customize them. There's no limits. Yeah. Unlike some, they just give you a template and you can only change like a few words of the text, or you can put your logo on and they keep the same video all the way through. Like you've got your stories, you've got your logo intros, yeah, you've got YouTube stuff. Like look, Google reviews, businesses love reviews. You can offer these videos to businesses, yeah. Learn a language, begin study. You've even got a Jesus Christ one, a Christmas one, sorry. Look, Jesus himself. Yeah, local businesses, Facebook covers, and these are what are very popular, guys, and these are very hard to get hold of to make. But on here, you can customize these. You can change the background, change the headings, and keep him if you want him. But I can have burger one, put the restaurant's name there. Funny one. Like on this one, you can change all this. You can put your logo and your name there. Yeah, all this changes. You can change this. You can change the number on that. And they look coming out, don't they? Freezing over. Got your bird, your eagle. Put a picture of a pet shop or a bird. Not sure what they call it. Where they look after birds. Can't think what they call, guys. Yeah, put their name and that in there. And look, it's a good little advert for them. Look at this one. This is quite funny. Listen. Yeah. There's loads, guys. And like I said, they upload them every single month. Now, what I'm going to show you now, guys, is the pricing. Yeah. And don't be scared because I'm going to show you a good offer. If you go to the website, guys, yeah, you can get Create Studio for $99 per year. That's per year, so that's every single year you will have to pay $99, guys. But if you go to the link in my description, guys, yeah, you will get it for just $67. Yes, you're saving $33. Well, that's just a one-time fee. Yeah, lifetime software deal. You pay that today or whenever you click on my link, and that is all you pay, guys. No more paying every single year as $99. You're just paying it once, and it's completely yours forever. Yeah, just after you pay that. But now I'm going to show you a quick video of the latest update, guys. Let me just have a look. Downloads. They're cool, these are. These are new characters in that one. These are templates you can make. How crystal clear the characters look. You get some apps what look like, look at them, a bit pixelated and that. Well, these are great. And you can make this kind of video on it. This theme, guys, as you can probably tell, it's Safari month. We do different themes all the time, like different characters. Obviously, at Christmas time, we've got loads of Christmas characters. We've decided to do a Safari one this time. And all these characters, all these scenes, all these backgrounds you see in this, yeah, whatever you see in this video, we've got with this this month's update. All these cool characters, yeah. Cool, isn't it, guys? So let me just go back to the screen share. Sorry, guys, there won't be a minute. Yep. So that is it for today's video, guys. That was Create Studio. And like I said, if you click the link in the description, you will get it for $67, saving $33 this time, and you don't have to pay any money any other time. That is it, guys. And if you like this video, guys, please give me a thumbs up. Like I said, this is my channel. I show different ways to make money with video using different apps and using like uploading to different platforms, social media platforms. Now, guys, I made a video about this earlier about video creator app. You can do these scroll stoppers and make some of these kind of videos on this app, but check out the quality of their videos, yeah, compared to Create Studios. I'm just saying, guys. I know I said this one was the best one or free, yeah. Create Studio, they just keep updating it and making it better and better. And like on some of these, what I show you, there's limitations of what you can do inside the app, whereas Create Studio gives you complete control, and you've got so much freedom. It's brilliant, guys. Just check it out, guys. That's all I'm asking. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And until next time, guys, I'm Jay Roberts, the Geeky Dad, and this is Make Money with Video. Thanks very much.